Mitochondrial membrane dynamics. Mitochondria, as we know, are referred to as the cell's powerhouses because of their capacity to effectively produce ATP, which is essential to maintain the cellular homeostasis and metabolism. Moreover, the researchers have gained a better knowledge of mitochondria's significance in the cell biology because of the discovery of cell signaling pathways by mitochondria, which are crucial platforms for cell function regulation such as apoptosis. Its physiological adaptability is strongly linked to the cell mitochondrial channels, ongoing the reconfiguration through a range of mechanisms known as the mitochondrial membrane dynamics, which include the endomembrane fusion and fragmentation, which is, by fragmentation we understand it is separation, as well as the ultrastructural membrane remodeling. As a result, the mitochondrial dynamics regulate the frequently choreograph not only the metabolic but also the complicated cell signaling processes such as the cell pluripotent stem cells, proliferation, maturation, aging and mortality. Mutually post-translational alterations of mitochondrial apparatus and the development of transmembrane contact sites among the mitochondria and other structures, which both have the potential to link the signals from diverse routes that affect the mitochondrial membrane by the dynamics substantially. Mitochondria are wrapped by two membranes, the inner mitochondrial membrane and the outer mitochondrial membrane, each with a distinctive function and structure, which parallels their dual role as cellular powerhouses and signaling organelles. The inner mitochondrial membrane divides the mitochondrial lumen into two parts, the inner border membrane, which runs parallel to the OMM, and the mitochondrial membrane, which divides the mitochondrial lumen into two parts. The outer mitochondrial membrane, on the other hand, is a soft and permeable membrane. It is therefore acting as a foundation for the cell signaling pathways to congregate, to be deciphered and be transported into the mitochondrial membrane. Furthermore, the OMM connects to the other cells organelles such as the endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, endosomes and the plasma membrane. The mitochondria play a wide range of roles in the cell biology, which is reflected in their morphological diversity. Ever since the beginning of the mitochondrial study, it has been well documented that the mitochondria have a variety of forms, with both their general and ultrastructural morphology varying greatly among the cells during the cell cycle and in response to the metabolic or cellular cues. Mitochondria can exist as independent organelles or as part of the larger systems. They can also be unequally distributed in the cytosol through regulated mitochondrial transport and placement to meet the cell's localized energy requirements. Mitochondrial dynamics refers to the adaptive and variable aspect of mitochondria, including their shape and subcellular distribution. Autophagy. Autophagy is a self-regulative mechanism that regulates energy sources during growth and reaction to dietary stress. Autophagy also cleans up after itself, clearing the aggregated proteins, cleaning damaged structures and including the mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum, and eradicating the intracellular infections by the root. Additionally, autophagy has antiviral and antibacterial roles within the cell. Some viruses include virulence proteins that prevent autophagy, while the others utilize autophagy elements for intracellular development or cellular splitting. Macroautophagy, microautophagy or the chaperone-mediated autophagy are the three basic types of autophagy. When the macroautophagy is triggered, an exclusion membrane incorporates the section of cytoplasm generating the autophagosome, a distinctive double membrane organelle. The autophagosome then joins the lysosome to create an autolysosome with lysosomal enzymes degrading the components. Whereas in case of microautophagy, the lysosomes or the vacuole engulfs a piece of the cytoplasm by invaginating or protruding the lysosome membrane to enclose the cytosolar organelles, the chaperone-mediated autophagy. This protein quality assurance by digesting the oxidized and altered proteins under the stressful circumstances and supplying the amino acids through protein degeneration. Autophagy is the primary intrinsic degradative system for peptides, fats and carbohydrates and other cell structures. In both physiological and stressful situations, this cell progression is vital. Disturbances aging, neurodegenerating due to the involvement in controlling the cell integrity. The modification of the autophagy lysosomal networks is typical hallmark of any neurological and muscular illness. As a result, autophagy has been identified as a potential strategy for the prevention and treatment of various disorders. Many of these disorders are prevented or improved by consuming polyphenol in the meal. As a result, the natural compound which modified the autophagy mechanism has a potential therapeutic option. The creation of the double membrane, which could be the nucleation, is the first step macroautophagy.